coming to you concerning evangelist Dr. Shirley Hill's ReCell. I had the privilege and honor to actually use her ReCell concerning our daughter. She had a star in her eye for like 2 years, and we purchased her ReCell, the liquid kind, which is oral, and we gave it to her to take in. And Dr. Shirley here advised us to also put it on the star that was on her eye, and it actually worked. It actually popped the star, and we also used it orally to take it for sickness and different scenarios. And it also blessed my little sister. Her daughter had rashes all over her body that began to look like sores and scabs, and it turned her skin black. So my sister purchased from Dr. Shirley Hill the oral kind and also a cream one, and she began to apply it and take it daily. Within 3 days, we seen the sores began to heal, and over a period of time, it actually stopped her from itching. Her skin turned back normal, and it's an awesome product. I advise anyone to get it. It's organic. It's all natural herbs from the earth that God put here. I recommend that anyone can use this just to have in your fridge or on hand for any sickness or any ills or any rash or any type of anything. I think it's an amazing product, and I wish her the best.